Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to increase or decrease or how to change the cursor thickness in this device. So simply go to settings. Now scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Tap on vision enhancement. So again scroll down. Here you can see the option cursor thickness. Tap on this one. So now this is the thickness you can see. When I change, now you can see the change. So this much we can increase the thickness. To increase this one, tap on plus button. You can see the slightly changes you can see, right? Let me show the closer view, then you can see the change. Okay. Now I am decreasing. Yeah. If you decrease, tap on this one. So simply in this way we can change the cursor thickness in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.